Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the road to the 75th Miss Universe. This year, the competition takes center stage in beautiful Puerto Rico. Who will become the next Miss Universe? Stay with us for the latest news, exclusive updates, and everything you need to know. This is your Miss Universe Update. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day universe! Another day and another update for the hot picks na ibinigay na naman ng isa sa mga pageant pages for our Miss Universe 2026 competition. I know that you are all ready and excited to know kung sino-sino ang mga malalakas na kandidatang pasok sa top 12 first hot picks na ito. Let's begin with our number 12, Dominican Republic. Pasok naman sa 11th spot si Miss Spain. Number 10 spot, DR Congo. Number 9 spot naman si Costa Rica. Number 8, Miss Universe Myanmar. Number 7 spot, Miss Chile. And number 6 is Miss Netherlands. And now, let's get to know the top 5 finalists for Miss Universe 2026. Number 5, Uganda. At number 4, we have Brazil. Number 3 spot goes to Venezuela. Number 2 is Puerto Rico. And number 1 is Miss Philippines. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Another top 12 first hot picks from pageant page para sa Miss Universe 2026 competition. Don't forget to like and subscribe para ibigay po namin ang more updates and another hot picks mula sa lahat ng mga pageant pages, not only here in the Philippines but all around the globe. Thank you so much for watching. Maraming salamat din po sa inyong pag-subscribe. Support your favorite candidates and leave a comment.